Hello, welcome to all of you on this new tutorial. This one is specifically to explain to you and show you how to buy different orbs, okay, to place in our lands, in our plots, on the game zone. So, before that, remember, click on follow us and to receive the notification in our YouTube channel and follow our platform Whole Team Training, VIP area. As you can see, we have now in Olympia-Lab website different orbs, different colors, different energies. Okay, these orbs have specific characteristic, each of them. We're gonna talk about that later. For now, it's the most important. It's to show you what kind of orbs and how to buy the first one for you. Okay, so we have different orbs, different quantities. Blue and green are already available, the other colors later. As you can see, the blue one have 9,721 available. This is just the beginning for the Masters of Game and the winners, okay, of the last promo. So you have time later to buy more orbs. You see, the other colors have 0 for now. So the system in the future will add these other colors for orbs to mine and farming. Let's follow the first step for the one. Before you put the password, check if it's your AI wallet who is connected on your account Olympia-Lab, okay? You check that before do any payment for the orbs. Then you had your password and you confirm the payment. The commission fees are on nets. That's why that's important to farm and nets. And in few seconds, the payment, the order is done. You see, the system credited to me 1 orbs blue. On the green, the same. The price is not the same. It's 0.01 game goes. Password again. Payment. Nets commission, confirm, done. 1 credits. Right now, my suggestion is to focus to have hexacoin. Okay, remember the hexacoin will allow you to buy land. So don't try to buy too much orbs because you have enough game coins. That depends on each of you. But my suggestion is buy some just to for experiment and to place the first one in the first plot. Buy some blue and green orbs, not too much, okay? Focus on hexa, because if you buy too much orbs and you don't have any plot, where you're gonna place that, and the users will visit any plot from you, so you will earn anything on the game, okay? So focus on hexacoin, farming, and all that to be sure that you have land and orbs to place. That's very important. This is only for the first 500 on the Major League. Later we will have other amounts and different colors. Follow us in the VIP area on the Whole Team or in our YouTube. Bye-bye.